Hi, I'm Jake, and on this episode of Rig Rundown, we're taking a look at the FM300L1, Sherwood's 2 horsepower industrial dust extractor. Now, if you're wondering whether or not this machine is for you, I guess my best question to you would be, what kind of machine are you running? If you're running quite a large thicknesser or jointer that's throwing out quite large volumes of material, but that's pretty much the only machine that you're using, then this may be the option for you. However, if you're not, and you just need a little bit of extra grunt, then it's definitely worth looking into. Now, this model is a premium build. It features the motor housing much closer to the bag itself, which means that there's just less distance that the air has to travel, which makes it much more efficient and gives you much more drawing power. Having the motor mounted up top means that it's much easier to connect your lines to. It also means that there's a little bit of storage space underneath the motor as well. Now the specs, it features a 2 horsepower or 1500 watt motor. It is a 240 volt or 10 amp plug, so it will plug straight into any household outlet. It features a 153 litre bag capacity, and it comes with a 5-inch outlet straight off the machine, which also includes a Y connector that comes down to 2 100mm ports as standard. The machine itself comes standard with a needle felt bag. However, you do have the option of adding a pleated filter cartridge at your own discretion. Now, if you have machines that are ejecting large coarse material such as a jointer or a thicknesser, probably don't need to invest in one. However, if you're using something like a table saw or a drum sander where very fine particles are being ejected, I would highly recommend that you invest in a pleated filtered cartridge. Now, this unit features a drawing capacity of 1500 cubic feet per minute, which means that you can attach multiple machines to this and not worry about losing drawing power. The footprint of it is still quite compact, so it sits at about 1970 tall by 960 deep and about 690 wide. It's also mounted on wheels, so if you do need to bring the Fiat into the workshop, you can roll it straight out of the way. And as with all Sherwood machinery, it comes with a 5-year manufacturer's warranty as standard. Now, if you are thinking about picking up a dust extractor, here's some important information you might need to think about. Workshop, and it's more importantly going to keep everything out of your machinery. Therefore, one of the most important things to think about when you're talking. And that's it for another video. So for more information, hit the links below. Make sure you like, share and subscribe the page to help us grow. And I'll see you in the next video.